All right, practice problem 4. What are we multiplying by? Again, there's only one fraction, 1/5, one denominator. So I'm multiplying by 5. So 1/5 times 5, not the parentheses, plus m times 5 equals 2 times 5. So 1/5 times 5 is 1. I don't have to write that. So I have 3m minus 6 plus m times 5 is 5m equals 10. You don't have to combine like terms or anything, okay? We're stopping here, and we're just going to list what our 4 terms are. So the first term is 3m. The second term is -6. The third term is 5m. And the last term is 10.